Did you know that Mary Kay's refillable palettes have been around for more than 30 years? Not only are they environmentally sustainable packaging, but it's super fun to design your own. Check out all the ways that you can customize an impeccable palette. First up is the Mary Kay Petite palette. This tiny wonder can hold up to 4 Mary Kay Chroma Fusion eyeshadow shades, or one larger pan like a Mary Kay Chroma Fusion blush or highlighter with one eyeshadow. It's a perfect size for on-the-go travel, and the transparent lid lets you quickly see what shades you have stored inside. Next is the Mary Kay Perfect palette, and like its name, this palette is perfectly customizable. Devote this palette to your curated eyeshadow collection. Include some of your favorite Mary Kay Chroma Fusion blushes, contour, or highlights. Or even make room for a cute palette-sized brush. The large mirror inside and slim, sleek design make this palette an absolute must-have for any beauty lover. With the Mary Kay Pro palette, the possibilities are endless. This generously sized palette provides professional organization so all of your favorite Mary Kay color can stick together in one place. It's so much fun to tailor to your most used products. Contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant to start building your own palette collection. And before you go, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos from Mary Kay.